In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new profile in AdsPower, or alternatively, how to edit an existing one to suit your needs. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is set up correctly for emulating a mobile device. To get started, open AdsPower and navigate to the Profiles section. You'll want to click on New Profile if you're creating a new one, or the Edit icon if you're adjusting an existing profile. Now we're going to dive into the settings under the General tab. Here, you'll come across the option for Operating System or Device Type. You'll want to select either Android or iOS from the list instead of the standard Windows or Mac OS. Why? Because selecting a mobile operating system allows the profile to emulate a mobile device, which is crucial for certain tasks and simulations. Once you've set your device type, it's time to adjust the browser version accordingly. This is important because some browsers' cores only support mobile simulation after reaching a certain version. Keep your browser updated to unlock the full range of mobile features available. Moving on, let's focus on the fingerprint settings, which might be named slightly differently depending on your setup. First, set the user agent, or UA string, to match a mobile browser such as Chrome on Android or Safari on iOS. This ensures that when websites are accessed, they recognize the browser as being from a mobile device. Additionally, you'll want to adjust the screen resolution to mirror a typical mobile size. Common resolutions you might consider are 1080x1920 or 360x760. Furthermore, ensure other specifications like touch support, device model, and hardware specifications are consistent with those of a mobile device to maintain authenticity. In the Advanced or Browser Settings section, make sure any parameter indicating device type aligns with mobile device standards if such an option exists. This further helps websites identify the profile as a mobile device. If you're using a newer version of the browser core in AdsPower, like Firefox 135, you'll benefit from advanced mobile simulation features. Now let's take a look at the proxy, time zone, language, and geolocation settings. For the most accurate simulation, the proxy's IP location, time zone, and language settings should align with what a typical mobile device would use in the region you're targeting. For instance, if you're emulating a mobile device based in the Philippines, choose an IP within the Philippines, set the time zone accordingly, and perhaps select Filipino or English as your language. Once you have carefully reviewed each setting, make sure everything is configured correctly, and then go ahead and save your profile. Following these steps will enable you to accurately emulate a mobile device within AdsPower. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.